Alright, so we've got a totally resurfaced pool deck that has been stained in ruby and orange blossom, laid on the diamond. Very symmetrical pattern all the way around. It's got a great flow to it. It's got one coat of sealer on it that's finished. We've got one more to put on the back, or the front side of the pool, that is. So it won't look any different. A little extra protection. It's turned out really, really nice. Bold color. It's got a Spanish tile look in a way. Had to completely grind off paint. 2 layers of resurfacing cement. Another layer of knockdown texture, as you can see. Stain and then seal it. This was done.